Hi, I'm John with WTI. Now, are you looking for something that will just help a little bit with your joints? I was, because I was having some joint issue, especially in my knees, my elbows, my shoulders, when I would go to the gym and work out. And with taking this, it has really helped my joints. So this is from Best Naturals. It's glucosamine, Chondroitin, and MSM. And I don't really know what all those things are for, but I do know that it has been helping me the past few months in the gym. The other thing that I use it for is my wife and I put it on our dog food for our dogs. So we put on half a pill for each of them in the morning and in the evening because both of our dogs were abandoned, they were left on the street, and they were really malnourished. And we really want to help support their bones and their joints. Especially my one dog is hard dashu, so he's a little bit longer, and so we really wanted to get him some good joint supplements to help with his hips and with his back. And so now, after taking this for quite a few months, the vet has said that both our dogs are much healthier. So that is something that gives me a little bit more peace of mind, knowing that it's healthy for my dogs as well. As you can see, the pill is not too big. It goes down nice and easy. Doesn't taste like anything. So we really like it. So this has really helped with our joints. I hope it will help with yours as well. Again, I'm John with WTI, and that's my point of view.